Hello friends, today we are going to discussing about thermistors. Thermistor is electrical and electronic component. These are two types. This one is NTC, this one PTC, this also PTC. NTC negative temperature coefficient, PTC positive temperature coefficient. Thermistor is a one type of temperature dependent resistor. When the temperature increased in this component, the thermistor resistance value would be decreased in the PTC and increased in the NTC. Now I will show you how to the function of NTC. Experiment with PTC. This one AC 230 voltage bulb, and now I am connecting this PTC resistor in series. I am connecting series. In this PTC coil, 3 pins are there. Any pin we can connect. This one here, this one here we can get 30 ohms, here we can get 150 ohms. So I connected 150 ohms. When I switched on, in the this resistor would increased in the temperature in that resistor, and it become very high ohms resistance. Then the light bulb would stop glowing. So now I am turning on. So it turned off. Now I am connecting this NTC series. How it's work? see. NTC thermistors used in the power supply circuits. This one also one type of power adapter. It is used in SMPS, UPS and inverters, another power applications. It's the main function of this NTC is it's provide inrush current suppression for sensitive power electronics. It connected series with the power source will limit the current surges. MF72 SD9 NTP, this one NTP thermistor used worked as on inrush current limiter in a computer SMPS. This one is computer SMPS. In another word, NTP thermistor is used for protection from jerks, small surges because of and down in the AC supplies. NTC are small size and fast response, high power handling capabilities. Fast responses to surge current and wide operating temperature -55 to +200 centigrades. This type of PTC is used in laptop battery chargers. When the laptop battery may overheat, that time this resistor become high ohms resistor. It will stop charging. The TVs or CRT monitors used to avoid color patches on the screen, the AC supply given to the degaussing coil. This is the degaussing coil given this degaussing coil is mounted around the CRT. This is the CRT mounted the coil around. When the TV is made on, then the temperature of the PTC is low. At the time its resistance value is low. Then through this, for while supply flows to the degaussing coil, but when after some time the temperature of the PTC increases, its value of the resistance become high. Then it stop the supplies to degaussing coil.